Hello everyone, I hope I am audible. Yes, so let's start with lecture number 5. Let me share my screen and we have completed practice set 1.2 in our previous class, we'll be starting with the concepts of similarity, that is test of similarity, similar triangles, similar figures, what are they, etc. etc. Give me a moment, I'll share my OneNote. So is my screen visible? So majority time कैसा होता है ना, if concepts are clear, the topic is very easy for you. ठीक है? I'll just switch off my video so that you have a full screen view. So when I talk about similarity, so let's recall few things. Okay, let's recall. So basically let me do full screen. Full screen करने का फायदा है नहीं because मुझे वैसे भी triangles वगैरह draw करना पड़ता है. तो देखते हैं, जब करना पड़ेगा तब देख लेंगे. So let's recall certain things that we already studied. See, कैसा है पता है क्या? When I talk about similar triangles, उसके पहले let us understand what do we mean by similar figure. What do we mean by similar figures? See, similar figures are figures of same shape but maybe of different size. तो सिमिलर फिगर्स मतलब हो सकता है उनका सेम शेप होगा, शेप शुड बी सेम but may be different size. Size may be different, but may be different size. ठीक है? It means similar figures are always of same shape but can be of different size. This is the first point which we conclude. Second point, if similar figures are one of same shape and size, then they are also congruent. So they are also congruent. ठीक है? Same shape. So basically, I'll write they are also congruent. But अगर ये first condition satisfy होएगा, so those figures are also congruent. So this is the second conclusion. Those figures are also congruent. Now let me come to the original topic for which we are recording the lecture. So similar triangles के बारे में बात करते हैं. Since our topic is similarity and most probably we are dealing with similarity of triangles. So let me just deal with what is similar triangle. So for given triangle, yeah, for a given figure, there should be one-to-one correspondence. There should be one-to-one correspondence. There should be one-to-one correspondence between the. There should be one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two. Between the vertices of two triangle, there should be one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles. Their corresponding angles should be congruent. मतलब their corresponding angles should be congruent. If I write this way, it would be correct. Their corresponding angles should be congruent. Don't worry, I'll be drawing the figures so you will be understand in more better way. Their corresponding angles should be congruent. Then their vertices, yeah, I would say corresponding sides should be congruent. The corresponding sides are in same proportion. This is more appropriate. So corresponding sides are in same proportion. Okay. After that, then correspondence is known as, मतलब अगर ऐसा है, अगर ये condition satisfied है, then the correspondence is known as similarity. Then this correspondence is known as similarity. I am very sure since it was a very mathematical term I explained, बहुत लोगों को अभी भी bouncer गया रहेगा. Don't worry, we are always there to help you. So chill मारो and let's have some triangle. ठीक है, थोड़ा ये वाला मैं बड़ा रख रहा हूँ triangle. उसका रीजन है सिंस द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट व्हिच आई सेड व्हाट, साइज अलग हो सकता है, शेप अलग नहीं होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स शेप बी द सेम एंड लेट्स साइज बी द डिफरेंट. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली ये ट्रायंगल छोटू सा है. Now let us check the correspondence part. That suppose this is my A B C, and here it's P Q R. Okay, so here A, here it would be P, here it would be B, here it would be Q. मतलब ये सिमिलर है. ठीक है, साइन देख के आया होगा, अभी समझ रहा है तुम लोगों को. एंड ये तीसरा एंगल. So this thing is congruent. Okay, and so if I write it थोड़ा अच्छे लैंग्वेज में कि ये सब क्या है, so let us understand what is this thing which we have done. So in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle A is congruent to angle P. ये देखो A P को congruent है. ठीक है, थोड़ा पैटर्न बना दिया है. A is congruent to P, then angle B is congruent to angle Q, then angle C is congruent to angle R. ठीक है, एंड ऑल्सो ये देखो ये इसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेगा, मतलब दे विल बी इन प्रपोर्शन. सो हियर AB अपॉन PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. देन अगर ये सब होएगा, देन ट्रायंगल ABC and triangle PQR, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, are similar. ठीक है, so this is what we want to prove, that अगर ये सब होएगा तो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर प्रूफ हो सकता है. So sorry for my most dirtiest handwriting. I'll just write it neatly. Then triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. Congruent नहीं, are similar. So sorry, are similar. I don't know इतना झाड़ा हैंडराइटिंग क्यों आ रहा है. That is, इसको हम लोग मैथमेटिकली डिनोट करते हैं. We denote it using a similar sign. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, and that is triangle. Just give me a moment, everyone. Sorry, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That is, they lie under 1-to-1 correspondence. ठीक है, so here it would be ABC और PQR में there is 1-to-1 correspondence. There is 1-to-1 correspondence ABC and PQR. Okay. Then now this is the most easiest part of the topic and the most scoring one. Now let me tell you the test for similarity. So that triangle proof similar proof करने रहेंगे, तो what are the tests available with us? Okay, I hope I have shared my entire screen, वरना वो वीडियो साइज में इश्यू हो जाता है. So never mind. Next part is, I hope you all are writing with me, because it's not that कि orally समझ जाएगा ये सब सिर्फ वीडियो देखने से. You have to sit with a book and pen. You have to note down the things. जैसे ही डाउट आ रहा है, put in comment section and I will see to that it is replied within 24 hours. Okay, so test of similarity of triangles. Test of similarity of triangles. So when three specific conditions are fulfilled, I'll just write for you all. Test of similarity of triangles. So see, to prove two triangles similar, no, it is not necessary that we need to prove all pair of corresponding angles congruent and sides in proportion. Okay, for that only three specific conditions are referred, and when three specific conditions are fulfilled, remaining conditions are also fulfilled. Okay, when three specific conditions, when three specific conditions are fulfilled, then the then remaining conditions are also fulfilled. Then remaining conditions are also fulfilled. But remember the word specific. Now I will come to that with specific condition. Okay. Then कैसा क्या बोल रहा था मैं? Conditions. Then remaining conditions are also fulfilled. Are also fulfilled. Okay. I am very sure that मेरा spelling गलत रहेगा. Fulfilled. My God. Fulfilled. That's the reason I don't teach English. वरना मैं वो भी पढ़ा लेता. And there are three tests of similarity of triangles. So there are three tests of similarity of triangles. There are three tests of similarity of triangles. When it comes to writing part, now my handwriting are the most worst. Okay, so you need to remember that three tests का नाम. Okay, let me just put some page color ना. ये page white page इतना monotonous दिख रहा है अभी. Let us put some color. थोड़ा डार्क नहीं है क्या? माय गॉड, दिस कलर्स का नाम तो ऐसा रखा है कि पूछो मत. ओके, सो दिस देयर आर थ्री टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटीज. फर्स्ट वन इज डबल ए ट्रिपल ए टेस्ट. ट्रिपल ए टेस्ट या तो फिर ऑफ कोर्स ट्रायंगल का प्रॉपर्टी डबल ए, दो एंगल रहेगा तो भी फिर रिमेनिंग हो ही जाता है. और डबल ए टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी. ओके, इसके बाद I have सास बहु टेस्ट मतलब SS test of similarity of triangle, and third test I have all sides are in proportion, SSS test of similarity. See, this paper is very easy. Paper number 2, paper 2 of math is very easy, but अगर समझेगा तो it's not like algebra की एक क्वेश्चन समझा तो बाकी सब भी सेम मेथड से करना है. No, in geometry, in paper 2 of your mathematics, all questions have different tactics. हाँ, भले कॉन्सेप्ट एक रहेगा बट उसको सॉल्व करने का ट्रिक अलग अलग होगा. इट्स नॉट दैट फाइंड एक्स एंड सब कुछ एक्स में फाइंड मिल दिया या रैशनलाइज करो एंड सारा रैशनलाइजेशन हो गया. नो. सो बेसिकली यू आर सपोज टू बी मोर अटेंटिव व्हाइल दिस पेपर. ठीक है. So see, double triple A या double A stands for angle test. Let me be very clear. ये हो जाता है angle, not angel, it's angle. Okay, angle test. फिर ये होता है side angle, side angle, side. फिर ये होता है side, side. तो मैं फुल फॉर्म भी दे रहा हूँ वरना किड्स कीप ऑन वंडरिंग कि ये सब क्या लिख रहा है. So now talking about each test in detail. See, I won't explain each test. मतलब मैं theory वगैरह नहीं लिखूंगा. It takes lot of time and I will require 10 lectures for similarity. Nearly, I'm saying nearly I will require 10 lectures of similarity. So it's again a big number of lectures that I need to record, and I need to cover. So sorry. I guess due to some network fluctuation, I was out of the meeting and I kept on recording. So sorry. Like it went beyond my this only notice. So never mind. I don't know which Wi-Fi is taking. Okay, chalega. So what I was saying, I won't explain this each and every test in detail. since it takes a lot of time and nearly I need to record 10 more, 10 lectures, more 5 lectures I need to record for test of for the similarity topic, and it's very lengthy to cover. So I need to cover portion as well. So as in when we solve the questions, this is definitely going to be the most easiest part. So don't worry. जैसे जैसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे ये तुम्हारे लिए एकदम इजी हो जाएगा. ओके. Only thing is you need to keep on practicing that question, or else it's of no use. And your textbook is very good in all this thing. Okay, your textbook provides you ample amount of explanation of theory as well as question. Like मेरे सामने अभी तुम्हारा textbook ही पड़ा है. So I'll just be very quick enough because इसके बाद I need to take properties of similar triangles as well. So let us discuss this particular part in detail. So पहला, when I talk about double A या triple A, ठीक है, ट्रिपल ए टेस्ट बोलो या डबल ए टेस्ट बोलो, लेट मी हैव टू ट्रायंगल्स. ठीक है, ये ट्रायंगल नंबर 1 एंड ये मेरा ट्रायंगल नंबर 2. ठीक है, एंड लेट दिस बी ए बी सी, let this be PQR, since they are the standard name. Let the measures be 70, 60, 50. जाने दो, I am not writing the, actually I have drawn with hand, no, so time मतलब वो ढंग से हुआ नहीं. I thought I will write roughly and all, but it's not of yours. Content खराब हो रहा है. Let me have triangles. ये एक triangle, ठीक है. Let me have one more triangle. ये मेरा दूसरा triangle. Let me shift it a bit here. ठीक है. And now let me do नामकरण वो फटाफट हो जाएगा. In fact, this is 70, this is 60, and this is 50 degree. Okay. Here it's again 70. Here it's 60. And here it's 50. Let this be PQR. Let this be ABC. ठीक है. In this particular question, A is congruent to P. ठीक है. So angle A is congruent to angle P, isn't it? फिर angle B congruent to angle Q, and angle C congruent to angle R. All the angles are congruent. It means triangle are similar by A tens. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR using triple A test. ठीक है. Let's go to the next test, that is SSS test. Again, rather than going into detail, we will just see the application part, and I swear it's extremely easy. Okay, so let me have a triangle again. ये एक triangle, let that be short only. फिर इधर और एक triangle आ जाएगा मेरा. ठीक है. I just need to extend a bit from ऊपर. I need to make it a bit छोटा, and from इधर ऐसा. ठीक है. Now they look थोड़ा अच्छा. ठीक है. And suppose I have, let me name this as PQR, and let me name this as X, Y, Z. Okay. Here it's 2.8. Here it's 4.2. Here it's 2. Here it's 3. 4.2, 2.8, 2, 3 और क्या दे सकता हूँ. And let this angle be 50 degree. And let this angle be 50 degree. या तो डोंट नाम नहीं देते कुछ कितना मेजर है. ठीक है. ओ नो, वो पूरा ट्रायंगल ही उड़ गया बाय मिस्टेक. I don't know what's going on. ठीक है. We'll try to erase it with square eraser. Thank God. So here it's going to be, suppose this angle is X. This angle is X. This angle is X. ठीक है, rather than giving values मैं x x ले रहा हूँ उनको. So now see, whenever the triangles are congruent, there should be one to one correspondence between them. Okay, so give me a moment. ध्यान अभी गया. So फिर ऐसे एस कैसे होएगा? ऐसे इसके लिए एक एंगल एक साइड मतलब एक साइड एक एंगल एक साइड वैसा. तो बेसिकली पी क्यू अपॉन एक्स वाई करके देखो इज इक्वल टू क्यू आर अपॉन वाई जेड. जस्ट चेक, they will give you 2/3 and angle q is congruent to angle y. ठीक है, therefore the triangle are congruent by SS test. Therefore triangle PQR is similar, not congruent, it's similar to triangle XYZ using SES test. Guys, 42 and 28, come on. 42 नहीं, 4.2 and 2.8, so sorry. Into 10 करके देखो, शायद से वही आएगा. Let's check now. Anyways, last 8 minutes for lecture to get over, and now we will discuss last SSS test, which is again a good and simple test. So SSS test, ठीक है. So SSS test is it's again a same. सारे एंगल से इधर सारे साइड होंगे. So not a big deal. I have two triangles. चलो थोड़ा पास रखते हैं उनको, फिर इनका नाम दे दो ABC. ओके, इधर है क्या वो? So ABC and here it's going to be GEF या DEF, जो नाम देना है दो. Okay, here it's 4, here it's 5, here it's 4.5. Okay, here it's 2.4, here it's going to be 3, here it's going to be 2.7. Just check, it's nearly same. मतलब जब तुम लोग ये करोगे AB upon GE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon GF, it's going to be 5/3. I promise it's going to be 5/3. Solve करके देखना. Therefore I say triangle ABC is similar to triangle GEF by SSS test of similarity. ठीक है, वो भी TOS लिखा तो वापस कंफ्यूज होंगे. So SSS test of similarity. Okay, then let's go for properties of similar triangles. I know it's quite tedious to learn theory while we are interested in question solving and all that part, but never mind. It's definitely going to be easy. Don't worry. So properties of similar triangles. Like when it comes to this topic, I'm embedded with energy. So let's start with properties of similar triangles. Let me just select some good color. कोई अच्छा कलर नहीं है क्या? ये देखते हैं. I hope so it's visible. लग नहीं रहा है, but देखते हैं. Properties of similar triangles. ठीक है. So must needed prerequisite for your next exercise. Before I start next exercise, solving this part is extremely important, and paying attention is also important. So when I talk about properties of similar triangles, there are hardly 2 to 3 properties which one should know, and ये properties हम लोग ने 9th standard में भी पढ़े, so not a big deal. First is reflectivity. Okay, when I talk about reflectivity, let me write it neatly. So reflexivity में every triangle Every triangle is similar to itself. Every triangle is similar to itself. To itself. Okay. Thus I can say triangle ABC will be similar to itself. मतलब triangle ABC will be similar to triangle ABC. Now coming to symmetry वाला part. हम लोग ने बहुत बार ये वर्ड यूज करते हैं सिमेट्री बट वी डोंट नो द मीनिंग इट मींस इफ वन ट्रायंगल इज सिमिलर टू सेकंड एंड सेकंड इज सिमिलर टू थर्ड देन इन फैक्ट दैट थर्ड एंड फर्स्ट विल बी आल्सो सिमिलर मतलब अगर ए बी को इक्वल है बी सी को इक्वल है तो सी ए को भी इक्वल होगा समझे टू सी सो इट वुड बी ट्रायंगल एबीसी इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल डीईएफ ठीक है एंड इफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल डीईएफ देन डीईएफ it means then DEF, triangle DEF in fact will be similar to triangle ABC as well. ठीक है? Then comes transitivity. Basically transitivity means ट्रांजिटिविटी मतलब ए बी को इक्वल है एंड बी सी को इक्वल है तो ए सी को इक्वल ओके ये रिफ्लेक्सिविटी मतलब एक दूसरे को सिमिलर होना एंड ट्रांजिटिविटी मतलब पहला दूसरे को दूसरा तीसरे को एंड तीसरा पहले को सो सॉरी फॉर दैट मिसकंफ्यूजन ट्रांजिटिविटी हम लोग अच्छे से लिख देते हैं सो दैट देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन ये ब्रैकेट में लिख दो चाहिए तो अगर ए बी को इक्वल है बी सी को इक्वल है तो सी ए को भी इक्वल होगा वैसे ही ट्रायंगल एबीसी similar to triangle DEF, comma triangle DEF is similar to triangle XYZ, triangle XYZ, then triangle ABC will be similar to triangle XYZ. So this is what it means. So this is the prerequisite for your exercise that we are going to solve in lecture number 6 that is practice set 1.3 we are going to solve उसके बाद शायद 1.3 को कितना लेक्चर लगेगा आई डोंट नो अगेन देयर आर 9 क्वेश्चंस इन दैट फिर देयर इज वन थ्योरम ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल आई वोंट प्रूव इट प्रूव करना इज नॉट अ बिग डील सिंस इट्स देयर इन द टेक्स्ट बुक बट समझाना तो पड़ेगा and then I need to record 1.4 and problem set. So nearly 10 lecture लग जाएगा because 10 नहीं तो 8 तो लगेगा ही लगेगा because I am very sure the topic is दिखता छोटा सा है but बहुत लंबा ठीक है it's never ending. Problem set में भी कितना questions रहेगा I don't know but है अच्छा खासा questions है don't worry. Where is the problem set man? So in problem set there might be near about 10 questions 9 questions तो है ही so be happy there is work heavy work which is on our way I'll see what to do because every lecture I can't explain okay so I'll just stop the sharing and that's all from my side today bye bye have a good day and take care okay so meet you all soon